I am going to review the knot that I use before I start any hand stitching. Any other route that I used to do it, I ignore because this is the way that I always use it from now on because it's just so easy and so quick. So, needle, thread, and I am using a denim thread right now. That's not usually what I use for mending, but just so you guys can see it better, that's what I'm using. Obviously, you're going to use whatever thread is appropriate for the project you're working on. So, I've got my needle, thread, I'm going to make an X. The thread goes behind the needle. I know that's a little bit harder to see, but the thread is behind that needle. I'm going to use my pointer finger and hold that in place. So I am holding that X in place. Now the thread is behind the needle. I'm going to wrap that around the front. 1, 2, we'll call it 3. 3 is good. But if you want a bigger knot, you do more times around the needle. If you want a smaller knot, you do less times around the needle. Now, we have our thread wound around that needle. I'm going to take my thumb, sneak it up, and I'm going to hold that in place. I'm pinching that while I push the needle out and pull it out the top. Keep on pulling, keep on pulling, keep on pulling, keep on pulling. And I feel it stop. I give it a nice little snug. And one more tight little pull. And there we have a knot.